The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Benchtop Milling Machines. Number 5. Proxin 37110 Micromill MF70. Proxin 37110 Micromill MF70 has plenty of great features that make it stand out from the rest of the products available in the market. It is a fully functional milling system that comes with an additional drill as well. You can use aluminum, countersink steel, cast iron, and various other materials with this milling machine. It has a magnetic motor that provides power to the milling machine along with a poly V-belt. The machine has variable speed with 6 different options for you to choose from. The machine has a precision control as well. Constructed of aluminum with a cast iron base, it is also very light at just 15.5 pounds, but it is very accurate, with minimal 0.002-inch increments and full steering wheel rotation equating to just 0.046 inches. It comes with a relatively small 100-watt motor, but it delivers between 50,000 and 20,000 RPM with variable control. You must understand that this device is too small for heavy-duty work. But Proxin includes a host of accessories in the box and backs it with a 2-year warranty to make it one of the best affordable tabletop mills available. Coming in number 4. 33013 Benchtop Milling Machine. This 33013 features a 4.5 amp motor and a variable speed design with low and high setting. On the low setting, it delivers 100 to 1100 RPM, while the high setting delivers 100 to 2500 RPM. The table size will travel 11.8 inches on the x-axis and 5.1 inches on the y-axis, with the head also pivoting up to 45 degrees to the left or right. While 45 degrees is great, it is still pale compared to the jet machine above which it rotates 360 degrees. It is also less powerful and smaller. But it costs less and one backs it with a 2-year warranty, too. You can bevel the column and the head 45 degrees in any direction for angled cuts in wood, plastic, metal, and a lot more. The milling machine is compact and is beautifully designed using cast iron. It comes with a pre-installed drill chuck, a spindle taper, a chuck guard, an emergency stop button, and plenty of other notable features. The milling machine comes with a 2-year warranty. You can create straight holes, flat surfaces, slots, angled edges, surface contours, and a lot more with this machine. Coming in number 3. Jet 350017 Benchtop Mill Machine. The Jet 350017 drilling machine price tag in the middle of the pack. It incorporates a 1-piece cast iron column for increased support as well as a quick slide clasp for quick belt modifications. The tapering base makes it easy to clean up after you're finished. The 360-degree head swivel and extra large work table were highlights for us. It even has a work light to keep your workpiece lighted. The Jet 350017 is a tabletop mill with a 1-piece cast iron column support for long-term reliability. Their equipment has big handwheel knobs that can be readily adjusted, as well as strong-duty tapered roller bearings that can withstand severe loads and provide more accurate drilling depth gauge. This is one of the best CNC milling machine in 2023. Coming in number 2. Clutch Mini Milling Machine. For people on a budget, you can go for the Clutch, which is made of cast iron construction, which means it will have great durability. The Clutch tabletop shredder comes with a 3.4 horsepower motor that does not vibrate like any other and has variable speed. Head and column tilt angle plays an important role for any milling machine. With this CNC milling machine you get a 45-degree tilt left and right, making the machine versatile. If you are one of those who travel a lot or move this machine from one place to another, you can opt for this best mini milling machine because it has a compact size and weighs less. If you want your money's worth in one of the best benchtop milling machines in 2023, choose the Clutch Mini Factory. It is priced well, made of sturdy material, and perfect for people on the go. Coming in number 1. Jet JMD 18 Benchtop Milling Machine. Jet JMD 18 350018 is among the best benchtop milling machine in 2023 for anyone who needs power in their benchtop factory. You get a 2-horsepower machine that is a great benchtop mill for professional use, and it comes with many cool features like an extra large work table, heavy-duty tapered roller bearings, and a hinged belt cover that shifts at higher speeds. Regardless of which desktop factory you buy, you always want a machine that is durable and will support production for a longer period of time. The 1JMD18 Jet comes with a one-piece cast iron column that is ideal for support and provides increased durability. With its hinged belt cover and large-sized work table, the Jet JMD18 milling machine is precise and efficient. It doesn't matter whether you are working with wood, aluminum, or ceramic tile, you are going to get excellent and impeccable results. It has a drilling capacity of 1.25 inches with an end milling capacity of 0.75 inches. You also get the capability of face milling with this benchtop milling machine. The machine covers a longitudinal distance of 20.5 inches. The hinged belt cover present on the machine gives you easy and faster speed changes. It comes with heavy-duty tapered roller beams that support the spindle. The spindle has a speed with the range of 150 to 3000 RPM.